Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 5th towards 9th December 2022. Now GBPJPY on a weekly time frame, after finding strong resistance at this key level from this previous high, it faced some strong bearish momentum and came all the way down to make a retest on this major key zone once again. Now this move from this resistance level from GBPJPY could either be a deeper pullback move from GBPJPY in its attempt to continue pushing up, making a breakout of this high to come all the way, create new higher high over here while moving in respect to this higher time frame uptrend channel, or this move from GBPJPY could also be an impulsive bearish engulfing move which might lead GBPJPY to continue pushing down on the upcoming week, making a breakout of this previous low to come all the way down, make a deeper pullback on this higher time frame uptrend channel to come all the way, retest that uptrend channel once again somewhere around at these key zones over here. Now, to understand when to expect GBPJPY to continue either pushing up or continue pushing down on a higher time frame point of view, we need to go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, you can see the same key levels and zones that you saw on the weekly time frame. As you can see, our higher time frame resistance at this key level and also our higher time frame support at this key level, the ones we just talked about. Now on a higher time frame point of view, for GBPJPY to continue pushing up, we need GBPJPY to make a breakout of this major support level with further bearish momentum for GBPJPY to continue pushing down, creating new lower low to come all the way, retest either this key level or these key zones over here. Similarly, on a higher time frame point of view, we need GBPJPY to either make a breakout of this downtrend line, this possible downtrend line over here, and also make a breakout of this resistance level with further bullish momentum for GBPJPY to continue pushing up, creating new higher high over here. But before such a big move happens on a higher time frame point of view, we could also look for trades in between this resistance and this higher time frame support as well by going to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the similar support and resistance over here that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame, and also you can see this multiple major key level with multiple major retest points in between that support and resistance over here. Now we have on a 4-hour time frame point of view a bit of a resistance at this key level, as you can see these multiple retest points, and also we have some sort of a support on this 4-hour time frame right around here at this key level. So on the upcoming week, if GBPJPY makes a break and close below this previous low or this key level with further bearish momentum, at least on a 30 minutes time frame, then we can expect GBPJPY to continue pushing down to retest this next major support level that we just talked about on the higher time frame. However, if we see GBPJPY even making a break and close below this major support level with further bearish momentum, now there could be some sort of fake outs over here as well. So to avoid such fake outs, we should wait for a proper break and close below this key level from GBPJPY and then wait for some sort of a structure to be formed over here, something like this kind of a structure over here, like some small pullback, and then we can look for trades on the breakout of that structure on a shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame with further bearish momentum in hopes of GBPJPY continuing with further bearish momentum to come all the way, retest this key level over here which you saw on the daily time frame right around here, has multiple retest points, or all the way down to make a retest on this major key zone with multiple major retest points over here. However, if we see GBPJPY, instead of making a break and close below this key level or here, if it finds support anywhere around here and makes a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum, similarly on a shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame, then we can expect to push up to come all the way, retest this key level and also make a retest on this newly formed possible downtrend line over here. And if you see GBPJPY even continuing to push up, making a breakout of this downtrend line and making a break and close above this key level as well, then we can start to look for trades on the long side. Similarly, the way we were to look for trades on the short side over here, the same way we can start to look for trades on the long side in hopes of GBPJPY continuing with further bullish momentum to create a new higher high to come all the way, either retest this high over here or create new higher high to come all the way, retest this major key level over here on a higher time frame point of view which you drew on the basis of this multiple major retest points that this key level has. So that is if GBPJPY makes a break and close above this key level as well by breaking above the shorter time frame key levels that we just talked about on the 4-hour time frame. So in that case, you can expect GBPJPY to continue this higher time frame uptrend channel over here to create new higher high to come all the way retest this key level on a higher time frame point of view. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video descriptions, and I'll give a link to this whole trading chart as well. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.